And shares of Robinhood, ticker symbol HOOD, those shares are actually moving higher. This is after the trading app reported losses for the quarter that were narrower than expected as revenue increased 14%. This comes as monthly active users that fell by nearly 2 million on the platform. There you're taking a look at some of the actuals versus the estimates on your screen. A few other things to note. The transaction-based revenues increased 3% sequentially to about $208 million. Options, that was up by about 10%. Cryptocurrencies, that did decrease during the quarter, and that kind of in line with what we've seen in the crypto space right now, too.
Yeah, it seems like an EBITDA beat is what the street is paying attention to here. They did post a net loss, but if you adjust that and look at EBITDA just specifically, the company had an unexpected gain where analysts were forecasting a loss. So that seems to be what's encouraging to people. It seems like analysts are sort of looking on the bright side of this.
That's what happens when you fire 23% of your workforce a couple years ago.
Yeah, I guess that helps the profitability to some extent. But one analyst over at Morgan Stanley said that the profitability inflection should boost investor confidence. At the same time, he says user growth and engagement challenges remain amid an unfavorable macroeconomic backdrop. So you can cut all you want, but if the top line is not growing how it should be, then that's obviously still an issue.
I would say not a good top line quarter. I did find it interesting, though, on the conference call last night, they're pushing what appears to be into gold products and with some success. No plans to push into bonds, but pushing forward with gold and perhaps starting to lay the groundwork for more of a retirement-focused packages.
Wow. Yeah, I thought the kids only wanted to buy digital gold, not actual gold.
Yeah, clearly.
Look, I think the retirement product is going to be a big move forward for them, especially considering how many of the different areas where they've tried to take on new licenses to allow them to operate retirement accounts could be a potential huge boon to their business, as long as done right and as long as companies decide to buy into that product as well, too.
Yeah, I don't know if are they courting institutions, or are they, in other words, corporate retirement plans?
I thought it was first going out to corporate, but some of the details still, as they were building that out, were a little unclear. So we'll see how that gets met by the markets here.